Hi, this is John Presinos, Editorial Director of Investing Daily, with a video update for Thursday, December 3rd. Readers have found all sorts of ways to reach me. The most desirable and easiest way is to simply send an email to mailbag@investingdaily.com. I urge all of you to send me comments and questions. Your feedback helps me provide advice that's relevant to your actual investment needs. Okay, let's review the latest inquiries that have come in over the transom. I strive to provide answers with universal applicability for investors of all types. Question number 1. What's your view of the cybersecurity sector? Is it a good play for 2021? Alex Z. I'm bullish on cybersecurity stocks for next year and beyond. Major companies in cybersecurity are tapped into unstoppable momentum. Hacking is proliferating around the globe as cybercriminals and spies increasingly breach government agencies and heavily trafficked sites. According to recent studies, information theft accounts for roughly 50% of corporate external costs on an annualized basis. That will fuel demand for the products and services of companies in the cybersecurity sector. Question number 2. What do you see as the major investment themes of a Biden presidency? Alan G. Among the sectors that I particularly like for 2021 are infrastructure. You can expect massive fiscal stimulus next year that includes significant expenditures on infrastructure. Public works spending is a global theme. Publicly traded construction firms with international footprints will thrive. I also like renewable energy. The Green New Deal, pushed forward by left-leaning Democrats, doesn't really stand a chance with a Senate dominated by conservatives. But nonetheless, a Biden administration is likely to prove beneficial for next-generation power sources such as solar, wind, and biothermal. Question number 3. I see in many of your articles and other commentators comments about changes in earnings. The most recent mentions that blended earnings for the third quarter are on track for a decline of some 6%. My question is, what earnings are you referring to? Is it GAAP earnings? It would help if you identified in your articles what method of calculating earnings you refer to. Kevin M. Kevin, unless specified otherwise, our references to earnings are those on a GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles basis. Question number 4. Is cannabis really as big an investment theme as the financial media tell us? Kendra L. Yes, indeed. ArcView Market Research and its research partner BDS Analytics estimate that spending on legal marijuana worldwide accelerated in 2019, soaring 38% to $16.9 billion, and should eventually reach $31.3 billion in 2022, growing at a 26.7% compound annual growth rate over the 5-year time frame from 2017. The estimates call for a $57 billion worldwide market by 2027. The U.S. House of Representatives is scheduled this week to take up legislation to legalize marijuana on the federal level, an historic step that could mark the first time a full congressional chamber has voted to end the federal government's ban on marijuana. The bill in question? It's the Marijuana Opportunity, Reinvestment, and Expungement MORE Act, which would remove marijuana from the federally Controlled Substances Act and open up the industry to multi-billion-dollar business opportunities and interstate commerce. The ramifications for marijuana businesses and investors are gigantic. Well, that should do it for now. For details, consult the article on the Investing Daily website that accompanies this video. My article also contains a hyperlink to a special report on the best marijuana stocks to buy now. If you have any questions or comments, the best way to reach me is mailbag@investingdaily.com. Please send me your emails. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your week.